So this is made from offcuts, Nicola's offcuts, and this is my famous, fabulous Nicola's offcuts portfolio, which I made. I basically, it's inserted in the back and it makes the ribbon go. This is a back-to-back dos a dos binding, so essentially it's 3 signatures pamphlet stitched at this end and 3 signatures pamphlet stitched at that end. I wanted to keep the roughness of the paper, the deckled edge of the paper, which means that some of the signatures are a little taller and some are smaller, which meant I had to think about that. The front cover is, there's the front cover, and it has the name Carl Sagan. There's a Carl Sagan quote in here, which basically is about books. I'm not going to read it to you. I'll link to it in the actual in the blog post. So each page is individual. What I didn't do, so there's the end of the first pamphlet, now we're into the second pamphlet. What I didn't do was count the words and count the pages. So you'll see at the beginning there's kind of like a word per page. It doesn't kind of matter. The book starts to gather momentum into the second set of pamphlets here. I love that page. And then we're actually at the end of the first binding. We turn it over, and here's the rest of the book. Oh, there's the cover. And it's like there's birds in the background there. So I just did the pictures, the writing by hand. I probably could have used stamps. It would have been interesting. Went to the second set of second section in here. Suddenly I realised I was running out of place, and all through speaking clearly and silently in your head directly to you. I'm getting four words per page, because suddenly a book is proof that humans are capable of working magic. This is the final page, and if you turn it over, it will take you back to the beginning where we started.